Which one are we going in?
The yellow buoy one.
Okay. You need to go much more left. Good, because that finger pier on the starboard is long.
Yeah.
Port forward, easy. And bow thrust right. Okay, relax. So we're in the hole.
And the hole not as pretty as I wanted it, but it's in there.
Bow thrust left a little bit in case our fenders have jumped up on top of the dock. Okay, stop the boat. Yep, our fender's on top of the dock. Let me go down there and I'll push the boat away and put the fenders back in the water. There's the one on top of the dock. The midship and the stern are in the water. Stand by. Bow thrust right. Sorry, left, 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 left. Okay, all three are in the water. Back us out easy and slow. I'm on board. No, okay, slow down, slow down. Bow thrust right. Fenders are rolling. Okay, bow thrust left, 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 left. Okay, we're clear of the dock. So what we had to do was bow thrust left to bend around the corner so we would not scratch the blue hull on the dock. If you want to learn more about docking, ask Captain Chris.